Welcome to Nature Walk, the podcast where we embark on a journey to explore the wonders of the natural world. I'm your host, David, and I'm delighted to share with you today's fascinating story from Japan, where a complex relationship between humans and bears has been unfolding. In the town of Utsunomiya, located north of Tokyo, a recent spate of bear sightings has led to the closure of nearly 100 schools. This is not an isolated incident. In another Japanese town, a bear attacked 4 people and even managed to open a water tap and unlatch a window to escape from a building it had been trapped in. These events have raised concerns about the increasing frequency of bear attacks in Japan. As we delve into this story, let's take a step back and consider the broader context. Japan's aging population and declining number of hunters have contributed to an increase in bear sightings. With fewer hunters to control the bear population, these magnificent creatures are venturing closer to human settlements in search of food. It's a complex issue, with both humans and bears adapting to changing circumstances. Kazuhiko Maita, a researcher from the Institute for Asian Black Bear Research and Preservation, has had his fair share of close encounters with bears, 9 attacks to be exact. His expertise offers valuable insights into the behavior of these animals and the measures being taken to mitigate conflicts between humans and bears. As we explore this story further, it becomes clear that Japan's relationship with bears is multifaceted. On one hand, there's a deep-seated respect and admiration for these creatures. On the other hand, there's a growing concern about the risks they pose to human safety. It's a delicate balance, one that requires careful consideration of both human and bear needs. As we navigate this intricate dance between humans and bears, we're reminded of the importance of coexisting with nature. By understanding the interconnectedness of our world and the impact of human activities on the environment, we can work towards finding solutions that benefit both our species. The story of Japan's love-hate relationship with bears serves as a poignant reminder of the complexities of conservation and the need for empathy and understanding in our interactions with the natural world. As we continue to explore the wonders of nature, we'll be examining more stories like this one, highlighting the intricate web of relationships between humans and the environment. We'll be right back with more fascinating stories from the natural world on Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk, where we're exploring the fascinating world of wildlife and the environment. Today, we're delving into a story that highlights the complex relationships between humans, animals, and their ecosystems. In Japan, researchers have made a troubling discovery about raccoons, those cute and curious creatures that are increasingly encroaching on populated areas. It turns out the raccoons are carrying a diarrhea, causing bacteria called Escherichia albertii, which has already been responsible for multiple severe outbreaks of food poisoning. But what's even more concerning is that these animals are now vectors for this emerging bacterium, posing serious health risks to humans. The researchers at Osaka Metropolitan University found that 56% of the wild raccoons they studied were carrying E. albertii, and subsequent whole genome analysis confirmed that the bacterial strains were remarkably similar to those found in human patients. But here's the fascinating part. The researchers didn't just stop at monitoring the raccoons. They also focused on the rivers and waterways in southern Japan's Osaka prefecture, where they found that 77% of the water samples contained E. albertii. And what's more, they discovered that the bacteria were present upstream from populated areas and in water sources far removed from neighborhoods and recreational parks. This suggests the wildlife, not humans, are responsible for the contamination. The implications of this study are significant, as it highlights the importance of adopting a One Health strategy that takes into account the interconnected ecological, agricultural, and wildlife systems. By tracking human infections, as well as the movements of animals and the flow of water, researchers can gain a better understanding of how diseases spread and develop comprehensive strategies for infectious disease control. As we consider the complex relationships between humans, animals, and their ecosystems, it's clear that we need to take a more holistic approach to public health. By recognizing the interconnectedness of our world, we can work towards creating a healthier, more sustainable environment for all living creatures. Welcome back to Nature Walk. I'm your host, David. As we conclude our journey through the natural world today, we're going to take a dramatic turn towards the oceans, where an incident has reminded us of the power and unpredictability of marine life. A shark attack at Coogee Beach in Sydney, Australia, has left a woman in her 30s in critical condition, with serious arm and leg injuries. This unfortunate event unfolded on a tranquil morning, as described by eyewitnesses, who saw a sudden turn of chaos, blood, and sirens filling the air. lifeguards rushed to provide aid, and the shark alarm sounded, signaling the start of a frantic rescue effort. The victim was pulled from the water by members of the public, who commenced first aid before emergency services arrived. The scene was nothing short of havoc, as one witness described, with splashing in the water and blood visible. Emergency crews treated the woman on the beach, and she was later transported to St. Vincent's Hospital. The incident led to the closure of Coogee Beach and nearby beaches, including Clovelly and Bronte, as a precautionary measure. This shark attack serves as a stark reminder of the respect we must have for the ocean and its inhabitants. While such incidents are rare, they underscore the importance of vigilance and preparedness when engaging with marine environments. It's also a testament to the bravery and quick thinking of bystanders who stepped in to provide critical first aid. As we reflect on this incident, it's essential to consider our place within the natural world and the delicate balance between humans and wildlife. The ocean, with all its beauty and power, demands respect and caution. As we enjoy its wonders, we must also be mindful of its potential dangers. That's all for today's Nature Walk. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, keep exploring your natural world.